How you boys getting on?
Great. We caught a fish, and I made you this necklace.
Oh, ain't that pretty? Ain't I the luckiest? Did you thank Uncle Arthur?
No need. We had a good time.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just met some folk. I better go speak with Dutch.
Okay.
Hey, you did real fine, kid.
Thanks.
Und Abigail
We got a
nimmt den
problem.
Stock zum
What?
Abschluss.
I just met some guys out near the river. A fella named, Milton, and, I don't remember the other fella's name. Ross. Milton and Ross. And they are employees of the Pinkerton Detective Agency. And they know about the train, and they know we're here.
Were you followed back here?
No, they know we're near here. And they want you, Dutch. They offered me my freedom in exchange, they did.
Why didn't you take it?
Very funny. Well, what do we do now?
I say we do nothing. Just yet. They're just trying to scare us into doing something stupid. We have turned a corner. We survived them mountains. We just need to stay calm.
Wenn du das sagst, Dutch. Mission abgeschlossen. Menschenfischer. Okay. Dann machen wir jetzt mit dem Johnny Boy weiter. Wo ist er eigentlich? Unser Kollege? Okay. Ja, dann gehen wir zu Johnny. Wir müssen uns aber ein anderes Pferd auslehnen, weil unseres ist irgendwo am Rumhängen. Im Valentine, glaub ich. Ja. Warte. Ah, nein. Gütige. Let's go! Pilgrim! Pilgrim. Du bist nicht der Pilgrim. Oder der Pilgrim. Wo ist meine Pilgrim Baby? Die ist sie auch nicht. Pilgrim! Ah, dort hinein! Hui! Hui, du! Hui! Guten Morgen, Abend, Mittag. Haben wir nichts mehr fürs Pferdli? Oh oh. Oh oh. Komm. Aufsteigen, los. Let's go to the Johnny Boy. Wir haben eine Kutsche, sage ich. Wir haben einen Zug auszurauben. Oh yeah. Ich glaube, ich sehe eine Schnuppelstirn, eine Morgana Vater. Ja, sorry, Pilgrim Baby. Sorry, Schnibbeli. Entschuldigung. Amigo, Entschuldigung.
Easy there. Did good, girl.
Cactus. Cactus. Kann man den irgendwie brauchen? Nicht? Au. Au! Mit dem kann man nichts machen. Man muss halt reinlaufen. Und geniessen. So, gehen wir wieder. Da hat es jetzt gebraucht. Ja! Easy.
That's my girl.
Wie der stolz ist. Oh Mann, wir sind so süß.
Easy.
Easy, easy. Ganz langsam. Oh, ich kann querfeld eingehen. Könnte man sich sparen, da die Bögen? John! John! Wie weit noch? Ah, es geht. Nicht mehr so weit. Ball geschafft. Ball geschafft. Ja, du hast Ball geschafft. Hier.
Whoa, whoa, good girl.
Da muss er tönen. Hör auf Ballern, Mann.
Whoa, now, easy.
Ja, nice. Sind wir wieder da. Hello, my friends. Könnt ihr euch noch an mich erinnern? Du Vogel, ey. Du kleiner Vogel. Willst du uns produzieren, Mann? Mach das nochmal. Aha. Der schießt nicht uns ab, sondern da irgendwie... Kollege, kann man helfen? Geht's? Ist alles gut? Ach, komm
At least it ain't
on.
your job.
Ah, shut up, Arthur.
Yeah, your job's starting the fights. It ain't winning them.
We can scrap, Arthur. I'm just no good at homework.
I can see.
Besides, what do you care, Englishman? You've got no time for me. I tried to find you work, but then you're off cutting jobs with other folks, and your boy Sean doesn't get a look in.
Guess I don't want to get shot, that's all.
Ah, you're a real fucking funny shit, Arthur Morgan, huh? Real fucking funny.
Calm
shit.
down.
You better sleep with your eyes open.
Yeah, well, you're gonna sleep with your chest open if you ain't careful, boy.
I love you, Arthur Morgan. I love you. Come on, take a shot. Come on, take your best shot, please, huh?
Grow up.
And
Who's
let me
the
come on
hoofed?
the raid with yous.
Great.
Don't be playing coy with me, son. It's unbecoming. That bloody train you and him has set up. What you're doing out here, you're going to need guns, you're going to need men.
Oh, that. So Marston told you? It ain't a big show. I need calmness. If I take you, I might as well bring Micah along.
Now compare me to that oily turd again. You're a dead man.
Fair enough.
What are you doing here, kid?
I'm coming, John. On the job.
I said you weren't coming.
Yeah, well, Arthur says I am. And it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go. Me and the big cheeses. Love it. Can't wait to slit some bastard's throat.
You sure about this?
No. Are we ready?
Yeah. Train's due through tonight.
All right, then. It's on. Charles?
I'm ready.
Gentlemen,
Wir hätten den Dude besser in
let's go earn
Blackwater
some
lassen.
money.
Der Sean.
Hey. All
Der
horses
Schnorri, der.
untethered? Think so.
Good. They should follow on behind us.
You find a good spot, Wolfman?
Oh.
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest. There's a spot that's remote, but should still give them enough time to spot the oil wagon.
They see this blocking the tracks, they'll stop soon enough.
Apparently, picks up a new team of guards at the state line, so shouldn't be too much in the way of guns to deal with.
See, this is what I mean. I disappear for a couple of weeks and you cut me out of all the action.
Just the action that requires a brain.
You're a funny fella, John Marston. And what folks say? You had your feet up the whole time, playing sick, and fondling that new scar like you're gonna buy a breakfast in the morning.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Stay close on this. Wouldn't want you getting scratched by a squirrel or something. That could put you out of commission for the rest of the year.
Why do you have to speak so much? It's incessant.
They're left here, towards the road.
Cause I've still got some blood in me veins. You old
Ciao.
bastards have forgotten how to live.
I blame you two
Ciao.
for rescuing them.
Far too much trouble for what we got out of it.
What are you doing?
Hebe deinen Begleiter auf. Kollege, ist alles gut? Hast du verstanden? Du. Hey, du. Hallo? Steig auf den Wagen. Oh man. Gut, kommst du wieder mit?
Yeah.
Kein Bock mehr auf uns.
Takes a whole
John?
army of bounty hunters to bring in Sean Maguire. And look at me now, in the gutter seat. Back in
Hebst
business,
die.
boys.
Du musst die heben.
You know,
Gell?
my dad
Sonst müssen wir
always
die
used to say,
anschnallen.
The dog, please.
Not this again.
Why you driving like an old woman, huh? Fine. Damn you three. Sulky, angry, Scarface. A right barrel of laughs. So, we've
Sei
got the tracks
leise
with the
schon.
wagon, then jumping. That's the plan.
Pretty much. Charles, you deal with the engineer. John, secure the passenger car fast, take charitable donations, and make sure everyone behaves. Little Mr. McGuire, you focus on the baggage car. Grab any valuables you can find. Shoot your mouth, get a bullet back.
So, what are you doing?
I'll run point. Keep an eye out for outriders and the law. Help you three where I can.
All right for some. Cherry picking, I call that.
We'll be out in the middle of nowhere, so it'll take a while for any word to get to the law. But we should still move quick.
Aye, aye, Scarface.
Oh, shut up, please.
Close, Marston? We're at the railroad.
Just carry on a bit further.
Yeah.
Here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks. Remember, these are innocent folks. We handle this right, nobody needs to die here.
Yeah,
Okay.
Let's get it on the tracks. Whoa, whoa.
Get it on the tracks.
Yeah. Mr. Marston. Mr. Smith.
Was-
Mr. McGuire. Yeah. Get over there.
Ja.
When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you.
Oh,
I like it.
Oh, oh.
Get moving. Here she comes.
Arthur? Arthur!
What's going on here? What's
Hello.
going on? Nothing good.
Ha. Niemand muss sterben. Das sind
I need to
alles,
get up there.
alles
Finish up
Unschuldige.
here and join us on board.
All right.
Okay.
Get on that train.
Easy. Gehen wir da rein.
All yours, Captain. Or go on ahead.
Komm, gehen wir da rauf. Los, steig auf. Aha, da, los. Es muss niemand sterben, man. Hört auf.
Go! Everything you got! Money, valuable! There you go. Let's make this quick, people! Come on! We
I
have to leave
wonder.
until this bag's full! Come on! I ain't got nothing. You wanna have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here? I'll do anything, please!
What's the problem here?
I am adverse
Benutze L2, um den widerspenstigen... Okay, Moment.
Tell him, Mr.
Money,
Ernie!
valuable.
Don't do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay.
Ja, Thomas, du nicht so dumm, Thomas.
Back,
Danke,
everything you
Thomas.
got. Keep it coming, don't be shy.
Danke.
People like you make me sick.
Well, nice.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2.
Deal with these two, will you, Mr. M?
Los.
Damn it. Sick is better than dead, lady. And I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says, so this can be...
Danke.
Gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
Sehr freundlich
You
von
go
euch.
ahead and look for the baggage car. Right you are.
Tough guy, huh? You sure about
Tough,
that?
tough. Tough.
Shut this son of a
Du.
bitch.
Da.
This is unnecessary, please.
Es ist unnecessary. Ich bin ganz deiner Meinung, die schlimmer nicht. Ah,
We ain't leaving
ah,
until this bag's full.
Getting
You
robbed.
won't get a
Ausrauben.
cent from me.
Give me
Let me
everything
hand you
you
over to
got.
my friend then.
Los. Los, los, los.
Don't make me hurt you.
Come on!
Du die? Willst du jetzt zählen? Nicht?
Arthur, look out! Come on, cup it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything you got. Let's go!
Show me what you got. Los. Gehen wir weiter. Los, los.
I can handle this from here.
Wir haben es heilig,
You should
los.
check on Sean.
Okay.
Damn it, Arthur. Okay.
What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
Sollen wir die auch noch bedrohen
Christ's
eigentlich?
sake, you
Wie
ain't
sieht's
even
aus?
taking a look yet?
Nein. Ausrauben geht nicht. Ausrauben geht nicht. Ach komm. Ihr habt Glück. Heute ist euer Glückstag. Los, rennen, Arthur. Der darf Fähigkeit freigeschalten von Hauptmann. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Eigentlich kann ich niemanden töten. Aber ja. Eigentlich. Eigentlich. Aber.
For fuck's sake!
Dead Eye. Da hinten, da hinten, da hinten. Den Handknopf
You
drücken.
little Irish shit. Get up!
Need some help here, boy?
I'll miss your brother.
Eigentlich hätte niemand müssen
I'll
umkommen. Das
look
ist
and
jetzt
you
eigentlich
provide the
das ist
cover.
jetzt recht dumm gewesen von
Try my
mir.
best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
So. Funny. Very funny. So, was können wir da alles Nices durchsuchen?
I'm gonna have a right out lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
I don't. And this racket's in there. Posh bastards.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
I'm doing me best, all right.
I know, that's what's worrying me.
Ja, wirklich. Your best is not good enough.
Jesus.
Durchsuchen.
we got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
You men come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only two of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
There's a few more of them turning up.
Me and my big mouth.
Oh, oh. Oh,
Okay, let's deal with them.
oh. Let's deal with them. Woo!
We got more coming from the trees there.
Ja, danke.
That nearly hit me, goddammit.
Ow, Charlie!
So we can make
That
a run
really hurt.
We got more of the bastards!
Toll. So.
Stay down!
Stop! Stop!
Oh, oh nein! Setz es wieder. Verdammt! 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 Los, 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 los.
Come on, boys! Let's get the hell out of
Oh,
here!
wir müssen go farmen ohne Schreck, Leute. Wir müssen go farmen. Let's go. Los! Jump! Jump.
Let's go, Arthur! Come on!
Ja, mein Zeit, ich weiß. Ich weiß, ich weiß, ich weiß, ich weiß. Okay, los, los!
Come on. Mount up, Morgan! We gotta go!
Go, go, go!
Let's go! Stay with me! Now, come on!
Tot oder lebendig? Junge! Aha. Sorry, my friend. Nicht shooten, einfach laufen. Einfach laufen, Jungs. Einfach los. So ist fein. So. Sehr gut, sehr gut. Jetzt müssen wir irgendwie... Sehr gut. Wir müssen irgendwie Futter organisieren.
Whoa! That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big take, enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so. I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine. See if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.
Zeit des Boss. Langsam gefällst mir, Kollege. Mission abgeschlossen. Ölvergießen, Teil 4. Yes, sir. Nachdem sie die Schienen mit einem schweren Ölwagen blockiert haben, besteigen Arthur, John, Charles und Sean den Zug, um Wertgegenstände von den reichen Passagieren aus dem Gepäckwagen zu stehlen. Ja, das Gemeine ist, wir haben nicht alle mitgenommen. Egal. Töte alle Zugwachen bevor sie... Oh, schade. Ja, nu.